Hey everyone, I just wanted to share this beautiful walk that I took the other day, not far from where I live. And as you can see, it's just open wide space, northern New Mexico. And I grew up in the east, so I know all about crowds and traffic and everything. But this is beautiful. This opens up your brain. This feels like you can breathe, and it's expansive. And I love that word. And when I walk in these beautiful hills, I do feel expansive. It's very invigorating, different kind of feeling than walking in the forest in the East Coast, which I also love. Do remember that nature is our friend. Nature is where we can really feel the silence and feel and hear the wind, see the sky, and just be part of nature. Be more organic instead of always in our head. Just have your feet on the ground and just let everything go, be part of the surroundings. It's very renewing and refreshing. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.